Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of AP Physics. Okay. Hope you ever having a great day. Uh, so what we did today, we finished the activity we started yesterday about the dominoes, and we only did 5 trials in class, and then we wrote our answers on the board, and from there we ended up sharing our data to graph. Okay, so I'm going to do that with you all virtually. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my document camera. Okay, and I'm going to speed up time. I'm just going to write in all my numbers so that you can follow along. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. There are all the numbers. All right, so there are 6 trials that we took. If you would like to copy those down, you can. Okay, and then on the bottom it says make a graph. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So the title is always going to be the y-axis versus the x-axis. So here our y-axis is speed, so it's going to be speed versus spacing. Okay. All right, now when marking down our numerical values, what we're going to be doing, we have to use up 80% of our graph. So I would highly recommend for speed, since we're going, our fastest speed is 58. If you would like to start from 0, we can. All right. So what we're going to do is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and that should be as high as we have to go. Okay. And then the spacing. All right. So the spacing is very minimal. All right. So we should be able to go every 0.2. So 0.2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 1.8, 2.2. I'm going every other here. 3.6 just to save some space on my graph. 3.4, 4.6, 3.8, 4.2. Okay. And there's my numbers. So all you have to do is plug in your numbers. All right. Plug in your numbers. All right. And then graph it. All right. So the average speed, in class we talked about there we are. We talked about instantaneous speed and average speed. So instantaneous speed is the speed at any specific point, okay? Where the average speed is the amount of speed given throughout the entire trial, okay? So that's what that is. What factors affected the speed of your falling dominoes? There are many factors. One could be the mass of the domino. One could be the spacing of the domino. One could be the size of the domino, depending on its size. Gravity obviously affects it. And one final thing is the force flicked on the first domino. If you flick really hard, then the speed will increase drastically. Where if you just barely tap it, then it will slowly start to increase in speed. And then do a conversion for the last problem. How long should your row of dominoes take for 1 minute? So the speed is in centimeters per second. Do that in 1 minute. So you got to multiply that by 60. Okay, 60 seconds. Once you get this done, you can either take a picture and email it to me, or you can submit it in the assignment tab on Google Classroom. I will accept both of those. And then that's what we did most of the day. The only other thing I did was I passed out books. And when I pass out the books, I'm trying to find a way to get you all books. But other than that, tomorrow is the Science Google Meet time. Our Google Meet time is, I took a picture of this. 1:30 to 1:45 tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to get on a Google Meet, I would highly recommend that. Just getting to meet you. If you have any questions about what this is going to look like, and so on. All right. I hope you guys have a great day, and we will see you later.